I was just here doing an unboxing yesterday, and here I am today doing an unboxing, but I thought that you would want to see this one. This is Locklan by Estetica in the color R8 26H. Estetica launched the four new styles. It was Brady, Hudson, which I'm wearing right now, also in R8 26H, Verona, and Locklan. The others were shipped out immediately. Locklan was not. I ordered, well, I had one Hudson that Wig Studio One sent to me for review, and I also showed it on my channel as well. And then I ordered two other Hudsons. This is the third one that I get. They were all shipped out immediately. Verona was shipped out immediately. I didn't get Brady, but I saw that Eileen, the crazy wig lady, I saw that she got it and she received it immediately just as I did. Locklan did not ship out. I only received mine just like, I don't know, 30 minutes ago, an hour ago. And like usual, I was waiting for the UPS guy. I was stalking him. And I ordered them on Wig Studio One, as I always do, as soon as they launched. I actually had stayed up until midnight so I could order them and get them in quick enough so I can review them for you. Well, for whatever reason, Locklan wasn't shipped out to anybody. It wasn't just me. Anyway, they started shipping. Here's mine. As I mentioned, mine is in the color R8 26H. It is the same color as the Hudson that I am wearing. This Hudson, I received it a couple of days ago. I bought this one, was from clearance. This color is a golden brown with a golden blonde highlights. That's all there is to it. You know what? It kind of reminds me of Tobacco Rooted. I have touch in Tobacco Rooted, and it appears to be very similar to this one. I don't have touch here. I have it in Florida. Otherwise, I would have showed you. Anyway, because this has so much of the golden in it, I did apply, and I wasn't going to review it because I've already reviewed Hudson. All right, get on the program. I keep digressing. I used some Batiste, the dark dry shampoo, in order to eliminate some of the shine. And I did that because, well, I wanted to eliminate the shine. This one, obviously, the box hasn't even been opened. So you will see what it looks like, and then we'll compare it to Hudson, since they're the same color, with the dry shampoo and without, so you can see how the color change, not the color changes, how the shine goes away. So I had a few comments, both on my video from yesterday, as well as on the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper support group, the private Facebook group. I always link, if you're not a member over there, you need to come join us. I always place the link to my videos there in case any of the members want to see a style. And I had a few leave me comments saying that they really like that I didn't remove the part, or I didn't edit out the part where I showed how I styled, what was it? Anatolia. All right, yesterday. Locklan is a long piece. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to show you, this is exactly the same color, Hudson and Locklan. So, as you can see, this one is really shiny as in compared to Hudson that I'm wearing. And the only difference is that I use this Batiste dark hair one. What's this called? A Hint of Color. I really like it. I use it on my gray wigs. I use it on my blonde wigs. I use it on all the wigs. It doesn't alter the color, but it is the one dry shampoo that I have found that just eliminates the shine without having to wash, or the cold water wash, or baking soda, or anything like that. All right, so here's Locklan. Oh my gosh, these fibers are amazing. It feels really light density. It doesn't feel heavy density. And I don't feel any permatease except for just a tiny little bit at the crown. Let's take a look at the cap. We have a temple to temple lace front. We have a nice, generous, full monofilament top. We have open ear tabs, an open extended nape, hook adjusters, and a very stretchy cap, which is really what we usually find on Estetica. It tends to lean on the larger side of average. So if you have a little bit larger than regular average, Estetica will fit you. The fibers are beautiful. They are a traditional synthetic. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice long piece. All right, I'm going to take the brush, my wire brush. I'm going to eliminate the zigzag. All right, and now we're going to put her on and see what Locklan looks like. Wow, long. I said it was light density. No, there's a lot of hair here. It feels light, but there is a lot of hair here. There's no permatease though. And that full monofilament top just gives us the ability to comb it in any which way we like. I really like the way Estetica did this. I don't know if the others are. I think I had one R826H and it didn't have the blonde fibers on the front as this one does. See that? The light fibers framing the face. I know some love it and some absolutely hate it, but I want to point it out. I'm one of the ones that love it. I do love this color. If you're a brunette and you want some golden blonde, you know, you want a warm brown and you want some warmer highlights, I think this R826H is a really pretty color. If you like Caramel Kiss, you will like this color. This is just a step lighter. Caramel Kiss has a 4 base. This has an 8 base, so this is actually 2 shades lighter, but it's not so light if you are used to a darker brunette. And then we have those beautiful highlights. All right, so what am I seeing here? Right off the bat, I'm seeing that it's staying off my face. Granted, you know, I just let it go wherever it wanted. I didn't try to make a straight part or anything like that. See, it wants to go the other way. What I do in a case like this, I just basically let the fibers go wherever they want. And if that happens to you, you could do as I do and just let it go wherever the fibers want to go. I'm not a big fan of having a very straight line or anything like that. But if you are, just some steam will train them into place. We have here a bang of 10 inches. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. So we do have, as you can see, a little longer. If you wanted to make some bangs here, you can do that as well if you like bangs. The fibers are beautiful, just beautiful. The sides on Locklan are 17 and the crown is 22. We have a nape of 15 inches and it weighs right around 5.4 ounces. As far as the permatease, we just have the tiniest bit right here at the crown, almost non-existent. We don't, it's very, very little, and I think it's needed just to give it that little bit of a form there. I think that looks so pretty. But there is no pillowy permatease or anything like that. And I hate to say that it's light density because it's not. There is hair here. But it's realistic density. If I had my hair long and I had it straightened, it would be pretty much like this. So to me, this is not a high density. To me, high density is more if it comes out really far, and this one doesn't. So to me, it's just a realistic density. Please bear in mind that density is really a matter of perspective. Someone who has very thick hair and is wearing wigs because they enjoy them, because they like to change the style, and they wear something like this, they might feel, okay, that's light density. Whereas someone who has hair loss or has very thin hair, just about any wig will seem like too much density. Please keep that in mind, that it is really, it's just a matter of opinion. Yes, there are some high density that everyone would say, wow, that's really high density. But again, some love it and some don't care for it. So it's something to keep in mind. My opinion is that this one has realistic density. With such a long piece, there's so much you can do with it. You can bring it up. It's got a beautiful lace front. At least from what I could see without my glasses. Put up a clip. I guess you can put up a clip. There we go. You can clip up on one side. Here's the ear tab and my hairline. See, it can be tucked because there's really, it's not as much. So we can do that. Oh, it's pretty. It's really, really pretty. Certainly wear it back in a ponytail. Or like that. Or you could wear it in a messy bun. Yeah, we could wear these a few different ways. Really, really pretty. You know what I'm really impressed with? The way it doesn't fall in my face. I'm really impressed with that. I think that right now it's appearing pretty golden because it's right out of the box. Not to mention all the lights that I have on, but I think that with the dry shampoo, it'll be fine. I love the way it's not falling in my face, because with a piece this long, it would be a nightmare. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see R826H in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this review of Locklan and R826H. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.